Today we'll be reviewing the new Pioneer MVH-180UI. It's a new digital media receiver. It's a brand new model. So we'll go and be doing an unboxing. So you can find us on Lavishop.lt. We are based in Lithuania, but we ship all around Europe. So if you want to buy this, you can buy it us. So let's get started. This new model, of course, has a USB input. It supports smartphones, of course. Media app control, so you can control your apps and etc. Even in this new model, you can even control your apps with the phone itself. So yeah, and it also supports FLAC, MP3, and Windows Media Audio. It's also made for Ipod and iPhone, so that's supported. So what's in the back? So it has two pre-outs. Yeah, it says here two pre-outs, as you can see. What else? Of course, aux input here, and USB device connects here. So I've Android and iPhone support. Yep. So also it has as all the Pioneer things, has MOSFET amps, very powerful, 50 watts for the channels. So let's see what's inside the box. So we have some connectors, wires, mounting brackets, as you can see. Some connectors, wiring, protective sheet for your front panel. Box comes with a manual. It's just warranty certificate. What else? Of course, big digital media receiver owner's manual. And you can see this. Yeah. So let's put it here. And the beast itself. So this model is, as you can see, quite short. Because it doesn't have a CD reader, so you can basically mount it anywhere. So let's move these aside. Okay, let's see what it looks like outside the bag. So here it is. You can see it up close. It has a nice dial, fancy buttons. It has a better screen than earlier models, like it features 13 rows. So this is all these fancy buttons, as you can see. Okay, so that's what's in the bag. Yeah, so connectors, outputs, antenna. Also, so as you can see, there's a little slot here. It opens the USB port for you. You can close it when you don't need it. This is an Aux-In, and I'll show you how to take the front side. Like press this little button, then you want to come out. Panel itself. It has a protective bag for it, so you can put that in there if you need that. So that's it. Yeah, in place. So last thing I want to do is to show you how big it is. So we have this ruler, and you can see it's, yeah, it's let's see. The front panel is 19 centimeters, and the unit itself is a bit like 18, and the depth width is 10 centimeters, not counting these, so need as deep. So basically you can mount it anywhere in any machine. Yeah, as you can see, it's MVH-180UI. So you can find us at Gyros-LT, Lavishop. So please be sure to visit and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.